In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in Expedia 2026. If you've decided it's time to close your travel profile, I'll walk you through the exact path on the website and point out what to expect along the way. Before we begin, remember that deleting your account permanently removes your profile, save traveler details, payment methods, preferences, and typically your rewards and trip history. It usually does not cancel any active bookings, so handle those first if needed, and consider downloading any receipts you may need for records. First, open your web browser and go to the Expedia homepage. Give the page a moment to load fully. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove, otherwise you won't see the right menu options. On the homepage, move your eyes to the top right corner. You'll see your profile area, often shown as your name, initials, or a person icon. Click that profile area to open the drop-down menu, then choose Account. This takes you into your account dashboard. Once you're on the account page, look to the left-hand side panel. This sidebar is where all the key sections live, so it's the quickest way to find the right controls. From that left menu, select Security and Settings. This section holds options related to privacy, sign-in, and account controls. Inside Security and Settings, find and click Delete Account. You'll be brought to the deletion page with a brief explanation of what will happen next. Here, you can select a reason for leaving from the list provided. Sharing feedback is optional but helpful. It lets the team understand what could be improved. If you don't want to provide a reason, you can skip this step and continue. When you're ready, click Permanently Delete Account. You may be asked to confirm your choice one last time. Read the message carefully to make sure you're comfortable proceeding because this action cannot be undone. After you submit, your account will begin the deletion process. If you still have the site open, you may be signed out automatically. If you use the service on multiple devices, give it a little time for the change to reflect everywhere. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the right place, reviewed your options, and completed the permanent deletion. If you change your mind later, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thanks for following along and take care.